Huobi Identity Verification. Identity verification, also known as KYC, Know Your Customer, is a security measure put in place by exchanges to protect user assets. Users can improve the security of their accounts with KYC verification. The three KYC levels determine the different asset features for the users. As a special benefit for Huobi users, you can not only complete your KYC verification, but also apply for the Dominica Digital Identity (DDID) under the authorization of the government of the Commonwealth of Dominica. Dominica DDID is the world's first decentralized digital identity launched by Trump, Huobi, and DMC Labs. Here's how you can complete all levels of identity verification and become a Dominica digital citizen. Level 1. Trial. Open your Huobi app. Log in to your account. Tap Me in the lower right corner of the homepage, and then tap DMC in the upper right corner of the Me page. Tap Apply for L1 Dominica Digital Citizenship at the bottom of the pop-out window. To complete L1 verification, select your nationality, enter your name in English and your birthday, and tap the Submit button. Level 2. Formal. Once you've finished L1 verification, you can proceed to the next verification level by tapping Continue with L2 verification. You can also tap DMC L1 in the upper right corner of the Me page. Your Dominica DDID number and level will be visible at the top of the page. Tap on Verified in the Formal section to proceed. Select your identity document type and tap Next. Upload or take a photo of the front and back of your ID document and tap Submit. Wait for a bit for your L2 verification to complete. Level 3. Advanced. Tap on Verified in the Advanced section. Once you've followed the system prompt for facial recognition, you'll have completed L3 verification. Now that all verification levels are completed, you have an advanced Dominica DDID. If you have any questions during the verification process, please contact our customer support for assistance.